to look at, I'll tell you which color, whatever color I'm using, so that you can, if you have the same pattern on a different color, you can use that. So let's just get started. Just mess this up. And yeah, looks pretty messed up. So for beginners, I'm just gonna ask you guys to create a sort of daisy. So yeah. So first, before you actually watch this video, I would recommend like just playing around with the cube and learning how it works, so you can like find out how to move these pieces up into here. But scramble together and see how I can sort of teach you how to do that. So if you ever have this case, you can just move this to one side, bring it up. Same with here. One side, bring it up. Then if you have this, you can move this out of the way, so now you can put this up, like this. So I have this one again, so you can move this out of the way, move it up. Move this out of the way, because this one's right here, and move it up. There you go. Now I have daisy. Now the second step, this is a really fun part. So now you see how this is a red? You line it up with the red center, like this, and just move it down twice. Now you have that. Green, green. Orange, orange. Blue, blue. So now you want to do corners. So line it up. Make sure that red is red, blue is blue. So now if it's on the right, you can move to you can turn this face to the left, so like this. And then you're bringing this side, so that'd be this side, up, so you can put this in. So now it's there. And just move it back down. Now I have another one, so just line it up. Make sure it does. If it's on the left, you move this face to the right. So let's do it. Bring the side up that needs to go in, so that'd be this one. Move it back, so now it's there and it's lined up, and move it back. There you go. Now I have one corner already in place and one corner in place but out, but like not exactly in the same, in the right, what's it called, alignment. So here you have this, pretend this corner, or no, just move it up, move this side up so you can bring this out. Move it once, either move it to the left, bring it back down, so now you have this. But now you have this case, which would be, so you just move it under the side where you want it to go in, and then you just do this. There you go. Now you have this case, which you can do very easily. Just line it up. It does. Right to left. Bring it up. Insert it. So now you have this whole first layer. Next one. So you're going to find a piece with no white. So I have this orange and blue. So this part might be a little disorienting, but you see how this is orange and blue in it? You can't have it on that, so I'd move it to the red, because the red has no orange or blue. If I move it to the right, you bring up this left side. And then you move it back. And then you put this down. So now this is a pair. So I can just insert it with the corner inserting algorithm. Now find another one. I have this green and red piece. So since it has green and red, I can't move it there. So I have to move it to the right, which is to orange. So if I move it to the right, bring up the left side, push it back, put these two back down. Now you have a pair, just insert it. There you go. Now find another one. I see I have this orange and green. Since orange and greens are here, move to the right, move to the right, bring up the left side, move to here, bring it back. So now you have this, right to left, bring it up, insert it. So now you have one last one. So now this is another case where this is the other case you could have. So blue and red. So blue is here, red's here. So I have to move to the orange, which would be to the left. If you move to the left, you bring up the right side. Move it over, back, so it's the center. Bring it down so you can move these back. Then left to right. So just there we go. And just insert it. So now you have these two layers finished. So now you can have from any case from this, like across, from a hook, which would just be this, and a bar. So I'm gonna mess up another cube so I can show you all of them. Okay. See, I have a bar. So for the bar, you want to do this. And now you have a cross. So when you have this case, you want to always make sure that this and this, so that this is pointing here, so it's like this. Then you do this. So now I have a fish. So make sure the fish head is always pointing into here. So now you just do the algorithm again. So now you make sure that this is here. So now I have this. When you know you have this, you know, like, after doing this algorithm, you'll have it. So just do it again. There we go. Okay, so now I showed you that, and I'm going to show you one last case, which would be the hook. So I'll just show you on this. Whoops. There we go. Whatever, I can just get up here again. There we go. Okay, so this is annoying, but a hook would be where you, let's say this piece would be there, instead of this being blue, this would be yellow. And if you have that, you do this. So now you have it. This would be it. So you do F, U, R, U, prime, R prime, F prime. So now you have this case. We just do this. Now you have this case. So whenever you have these two things, whenever you get this, just across, you have to make sure that these two headlights are pointing here, like that. So you do the algorithm again. So now you have the fish with this. So now you can just do the algorithm once more. And now you're on to the last layer. So this case is a little weird case, but when you do it, you want to have this here and this like this. So and you just do the algorithm. And now you have the fish. Just do it again. Now I have the last fish. Just do it one more time. And now we're on to the last layer. So you see how these are headlights? You want to search for headlights. And if you don't, you can just do this algorithm from anywhere on the cube. But if you do, you want to make sure the headlights are lined up with the center. And you do this. Notice how I just flipped from here to here. Oops. What the heck did I just do? Well, I'm gonna just get back to the state. Lost my trail of thought there. There we go. So see how now, when you do, I'll just show you this algorithm first because you'll need to know this. So, headlights up with here. And now you have headlights all around. Headlights, 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 headlights. And I want to match up the headlights with the correct color. So now, let's say this was a different color than just blue, you'd have to do a different algorithm, but I'm going to show you this algorithm where you can just finish this up. So for this, you do this. And now you have it solved. So I'm going to show you the algorithm. Should do this on here. See, this is a case where you have no headlights anywhere, so you can just do this from anywhere. It doesn't matter where it is, because now you have headlights here. Should algorithm, make sure that the headlights are in the back. So when you do this, and now you have this. That's a different algorithm. Let's say, I'm going to just take this apart so I can show you this algorithm that you need to know. Or this crucial thing you need to know. So whenever you have something looking like this, or something close to it, you just do the algorithm from anywhere. So like, but yeah, so if you have anything close to this where these are different, you just do this algorithm. And now some side will have it solved, so you put that side in the back, and then you just do the algorithm again. And now you have it solved. So, I'm not sure how good of a tutorial this is, but I hope it was okay. And hope it helped a little at least. But yeah, this has been a tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube using the beginner's method. Just get them all on the sides. Yeah, thanks for watching, and goodbye.